Okay, hey there, baby.
Hey,
Show us what you got growing on our tower garden.
well, we have a number of green peppers that are growing all back here. There's several. And then the cucumbers are coming on, starting small.
Oh, yeah. Sure enough.
And then some are bigger.
Nice.
And there are a few, about half dozen
There's some right there.
growing up there. And on the other side, they're even getting bigger.
If you come around the corner of our house, we have this whole side yard over here, which is absolutely huge. And it gets a lot of morning sun coming up from the left and then setting over on the right. So eventually this whole section back here is going to be garden. But right now we're going to start with the tower gardens that are right over here. Okay, I'm to inform you that I was wrong. The sun comes up from back there and sets behind me over here. So it's hard to tell, but we'll eventually, like, you know, frame it all in and put trails, and the whole idea is to make, you know, things that grow over the top so that the kids have something to walk. So we actually have 5 towers, and we're going to do raised beds and several other things as well. But I kind of think this is pretty cute, this thing that my husband has done here. We're going to fill this tower garden up right now with water and let it off gas for 24 hours in the sun. And then we're gonna start moving some of our plants out here. I think Eric intends to put beans here. He's gone off around the corner. Which is why we have that beautiful yard art thing on here. Isn't this cool? So that the beans can go up it. You're gonna put beans on here?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, beans. Beans it is. Almost full. See that beautiful piece of yard art that my husband put behind the tower garden? It's gonna be so cool. Okay, so here Eric is just taking his seedlings that he started inside and placing them in the tower garden. Now, when he decided to set this tower garden up, he decided to do it beans, peas, and cucumbers because he wanted them to be able to grow up that beautiful piece of art, yard art that I really gave him a hard time for, that looks so great and I'm so proud of now. You can start the seedlings inside or buy seedlings already started. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this update of us getting started with our garden, please definitely subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell, so we are always here to give you the content that we know you like. Have an amazing day. Thanks for stopping by.